Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the YouTube thumbnail loading problem. So here, as you can see, if we go and search for something on YouTube, let's say art flower, so flower art, and then click on those three dots from the right top corner and go to filters, and then we sort this by the upload date. Here, as you can see, the thumbnails are not working. This is 1 hour ago, this is a short, and this is also a short. So as you can see, the thumbnails are not loading. So now let's go back and show you how to fix this. The first method is to go into your settings from your phone, and then you have to scroll down until you find apps. And from here you want to search for YouTube, or you can click to this search bar right here and search for YouTube. So click on that and then scroll down until you find storage. Then click on that, and here you have to clear the data and the cache. So another thing to do is by uninstalling the app, also the YouTube and the YouTube Studio, or you can just log out and then log in again and see if it works. And another solution for you is going again to YouTube and then go to your profile, which is in the right top corner, and from here you want to click to help and feedback. So here you want to describe your issue. We have to write thumbnail not showing or not loading, not working. So you can search here for your problem, or you can go back, go to send feedback, and then here you can write your feedback about this problem. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts about this topic and some other solutions that you can provide us. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.